Hello, everyone. Ved here, founder of LeadDelta. We just shipped a new LeadSearch beta feature. This allows you to search through our entire database of 500 million people and 44 million companies without ever leaving LeadDelta. So you can find leads, enrich leads, that is to say, find their business email, personal email, phone number, all within LeadDelta. And guess what? You can export that data, take it whatever you'd like, or just keep using it in LeadDelta and building your lists and collaborating with your team. So let's dive right into it. We just shipped it. It's June the 20th. This is still in beta, available to most users. And just head over to app.leaddelta.com and lead search. You'll see a little label that says new. So what I can search here, I can search between some kind of personal filters and company filters. Um, it's Once we do a filter, it's going to give us the list of all the potential prospects, and we'll get right into it. So let's just say, I want to look for a large global company such as Google. Super easy. It's going to auto pre-fill the name of the company, and basically we're going to get prospects that are not inside your LeadDelta, so prospects that are not in your LeadDelta already. Um, and basically, what you can do, you can just simply add them into the system. So let's just say I want to add Raj. This individual contact, perfect, add to LeadDelta. As soon as I go back to the main table, Raj will be at the top of my list, and I can always filter this list based on the auto tags. So everyone that you import from a prospector, I'll just zoom in on this one a little bit. Oops, that's probably not going to work. Anyways, we'll just keep it like this. So basically, if you type in prospect as an auto tag, everyone that I added from our prospector will be here. Same thing goes if you want to look only for your first degree connections, but that's more on that topic next time. So if we go back to the lead search, what I can do here, I can also look based on a company domain. So there's one interesting company, Cosmic Buildings, that I found out recently about. And, let's just say, I want to find out who these people are and whether I have them in my Get Prospects database. Perfect. There's Landon, who seems to be Chief Revenue Officer, Sasha. Again, I can just simply add them into my LeadDelta, no problems at all. Um, what else can we do here? Well, many things, but all I'm going to show you here is a use case where I, let's say, want to look in the United States, state of California, which is where I'm at the moment, and I want to do, uh, you know, uh, maybe like software industry, uh, software development, and then I want to do, companies 2 to 10 in size. So get prospects. Perfect. And here's a list of a whole bunch of people, with their different headlines, job titles, that I can just simply add into LeadDelta. I can already tell that Omar is my first degree connection, so he's already part of my LeadDelta. Um, so obviously I can load more and get even more leads. This table, this whole outlook is only going to get better from here. Right now, we don't have limits. You can do as many searches, you can add as many leads into LeadDelta. Just FYI, I know some of you will be asking this. What if, again, going back to the filter, going back to my prospects, what if I don't want these people to be part of my LeadDelta table? Well, that's super simple. Just select them and click Hide Connections. Now, these added connections will add into your LeadDelta connections number. So much like all the other sidebar imports. If we look at auto tags here, CSV imports, sidebar imports, all these different imports will add to your total number of LeadDelta contacts, which is the other way to announce that connections will be renamed to contacts, because it's not that we only have LinkedIn contacts anymore. We went far beyond that, and we're only going to get more sources to your LeadDelta. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you're as excited as I am about this, and probably, to connect these features, what I want to show you here is, if you go back to the auto tag and imported leads. It's just super simple. Select all four and go and enrich for business, personal, and phone numbers. Um, this is all now available within your LeadDelta. And if you don't have access to it, please let me know, and we'll wait for your questions in support chat. Cheers.